Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. Welcoming those of you who live in the state of Alabama, or those of you who are thinking about moving to Alabama. We're going to talk about getting approved for an FHA loan in your state. Now, you can get an FHA loan for many reasons. One, to purchase a house, to refinance. You can do a streamlined refinance, which means you're refinancing an existing FHA loan without having to get an appraisal and without providing your income documentation. You can get a cash out refinance where you have plenty of equity already built up in the house, and you can borrow up to 80% of the home value to cash out the equity and do whatever you want with the money. Maybe you're buying or refinancing a house and you want to rehab it a little bit or just update it. You can get an FHA 203K rehab loan and, all with one mortgage, borrow the additional money needed to make some updates or repairs to the house. And finally, you can get the FHA one-time closed construction loan, and with that program you're buying the lot and doing the build, all with one mortgage and only 3.5% down. Now, mentioning the down payment, that 3.5% down is available to you if you've got credit scores of 580 or better. If your credit scores are 500 to 579, the down payment is going to be 10%. Now, we do list a couple of the down payment assistance programs that are available in the state of Alabama on our webpage at FHAlenders.com. I'm linking to it down below in the comments and also in the description. And we also have a lender that offers down payment assistance as well. The lender will offer the down payment assistance as part of their whole mortgage package, so you can get the mortgage and the down payment assistance all together with just one lender, which makes it that much easier. Instead of having to go to a down payment assistance program, meet their requirements, and then also meet the requirements of the lender to get the mortgage. You're doing it all together. When you're applying, you're going to need to have a 2-year work history, and it's okay if you've changed jobs recently. It's okay if you have a gap in employment. You will need 2 years of tax returns and W-2s. If you're self-employed, you definitely need your tax returns, and you'll be qualifying using the income after your business write-offs. Also, the lender is going to require that the home you're buying or refinancing is your primary residence, because FHA loans are only for primary residences. Another thing that they'll check is the maximum loan amount, which are called loan limits. So Alabama FHA loan limits are assigned to each county within your state. Now, every county in Alabama happens to have the same loan limit. There's the same loan limit for a single family house, and then a duplex, a 2-family, a 3-family, and 4-family. The loan amount maximum increases as you go up in size of the property. You still need to qualify for the loan amount, but you can borrow more if you qualify for a multifamily home using an FHA loan. So if you need a pre-approval letter, you have some questions to ask, if you've got a recent bankruptcy, you're not sure if you qualify because of that, whatever your situation is, just visit us at FHAlenders.com. The link is down below. We'll have a conversation with you. We'll get you pre-approved. Whatever it is that you're looking for, we'll help you there. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.